Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big news which is coming here from Deloitte and TCS. Friends, Deloitte has released the result for the NLA, and the final result is here now. And TCS is releasing the admit card now. Some of them have exam tomorrow. We will discuss one by one, but first of all, congratulations to each one of you, the one who has cleared this Deloitte the test. Okay, and the final result has finally announced. Please let us know in the comment section how many of you have received the selection mail and how many of you have received the rejection mail and how many of you do not have received anything. Okay, one by one we will see. Before that, friends, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be getting all the updates timely, preparation videos, each and everything you will be getting from our channel. Okay, now, so friends, here you could see, so Deloitte exam had happened in Feb. Okay, the interview is also had happened in that month, and now in March we are able to see the result. So national level assessment, congratulations dear, congratulations on successfully clearing the national level assessment interview process. You are now one step closer to joining Deloitte. Please continue to monitor your inbox for the further updates and next step from our team. Friends, the next step will be your LOI. You will be getting the letter of intent, and after that there will be joining. So it's a very good news. Those who have cleared, definitely you will be having lot of confidence now to crack other examination. Now the question comes, there are people who have got the rejection mail. They are also clear that Deloitte is clearly telling that okay, you are rejected. But there are many people who has not received, you has neither received rejection nor selection mail. So for these candidates, you need to wait for 1 week. Okay, within 1 week also, if you are not able to get any communication from Deloitte, then you have to assume that you are rejected. Okay, but you need to wait for 1 week. Don't take the decision right now. Okay, because they will be sending, they will take time to send all the the emails to the each and every selected candidate. So you need to wait. Okay, so please wait for another 1 week and let's see what happens. Okay, next. So friends, here you could see some of the comments which I have started getting on our YouTube channel. So I just received this mail from Deloitte NLA 2026. Congratulations dear Om Bhamare, congratulations on successfully clearing the national level assessment interview process. You are now one step closer to joining Deloitte. So very much congratulations to you Om. So your hard work, your effort is now seen here, and Deloitte is one of the very good company. Blindly, okay, if you have offers of TCS Digital Prime, that is a different thing. Okay, otherwise go and join Deloitte. It's a very good company, I'm telling you. Okay, you mark my words. Please continue to monitor your inbox for the further updates. The next step will be Deloitte letter of intent. Okay, please wait for that. Okay, now for TCS, friends, there are a lot of rumors going on admit card and all. So I just wanted to give you the clarity. Okay, now, so TCS admit card, okay, for free NQT, So friends, here I wanted to tell you that already few people have received the admit card for the TCS, NQT, TCS NQT. Okay, so they have already received the admit card. Some of them have exam tomorrow. So very few, like if you take 100% out of 100%, so only 5 to 6% of a student has received the admit cards. Okay, so here exam is tomorrow also. Many of the student has exam tomorrow, is 11th of March. So I just know I was having a live session. Even you can go and check that comments in the live session of aptitude PYQ. Okay, so you will be able to see. So Gauri, he has exam tomorrow. Okay, and also I had got some information from other student that 15th of March 2026 they have the exam. So I am damn sure that you guys are going to comment also that okay, if you have received the admit card. Okay, so slowly people will be receiving the admit card. You please do not have to worry, but right now your complete efforts should be there on the live session which we are doing, like aptitude mock test here, non-verbal, Java coding questions, right? So one sort aptitude, average, reasoning. So your focus should be here. Okay, so you should go through all those things, and definitely it is going to help you a lot in your preparation. Okay, and those who have not got any exam date, this TCS NQT crash course is definitely going to help you out. Okay, where we have already released DSA white book. This DSA white book is one of the I will say अमृत है भाई. अगर इसको पी के चले जाओगे तो digital and prime, right? DSA white book in all three languages, C++, Java, Python, mock test, each and everything is there. I will not spend much time here. Okay, already we are doing this PYQs of the examination, or even on YouTube, even on the Zoom classes. So go for it. Okay, don't waste your time, and trust me, this 1,500 rupees for all the examination, it is going to help you. So thank you, take care, all the very very best. Those who are selected, भाई अभी तो जश्न मनाएंगे. Thank you, bye bye, take care.